problems based on solubility product. The first question is solubility product of calcium sulfate is 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Then calculates its solubility. Okay. So the solution, first of all, calcium sulfate is equilibrium with Ca plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. So here the solubility of calcium is S moles per liter and SO4 minus 2 is S moles per liter. So therefore KSP of CaSO4 is equal to Ca plus 2 into SO4 minus 2. So therefore the solubility of Ca plus 2 is S and the solubility of SO4 minus 2 is S. So therefore here it is S square. S square. So what he has given in the question, he has given solubility product of CaSO4. The solubility product of CaSO4 he has given 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. That is equal to S square. So therefore S is equal to under root of KSP. S is equal to under root of KSP. That is equal to under root of 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So that is equal to, we will remove the square root, that gives 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So that is the solubility of Ca plus 2 and SO4 minus 2 is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles per liter. Moles per liter. So you can also find out in gram per liter also. If you are going to find out the gram per liter, then you can multiply 3 into 10 power minus 2 into the molecular weight of CaSO4. What is the molecular weight of CaSO4? CaSO4 molecular weight, that is 40 plus 32 plus 64, that is equal to 9. 6 plus 3, 9, 6, 0, 6, that is 9, 136. So you can multiply with 136, you will get the answer in gram per liter also. That is equal to 136 3s. So 18, that is equal to 408, that is equal to 408 into 10 to the power of minus 2 gram per liter. So if the answer in moles per liter, you can convert into its gram per liter also, just you can multiply. So here you can multiply its molecular weight, then it converts into gram per liter, that is equal to 408 into 10 to the power of minus 8 gram per liter, or simply you can write that is equal to 4.08 gram per liter. So 4. The problem, the solubility of barium sulfate in water is 2.42 into 10 to the power of minus 3 gram per liter. So note here he mentioned gram per liter at 298 Kelvin. So what he is asking, what is the solubility of barium sulfate? He has given molar mass of barium sulfate also. Remember here, this question was asked in NEET 2008. Okay. So here the previous problem already we have done, that is moles per liter we can convert into gram per liter also. What we will do, the moles per liter convert into gram per liter, just multiply the moles per liter into its molecular mass, then it converts into gram per liter. Or if you can convert gram per liter into moles per liter, just take the value and divide with the given molecular mass, then it converts into moles per liter. So what we will do here, so the solubility of the solubility of the solubility of barium sulfate, the solubility of barium sulfate is 2.42 into 10 to the power of minus 3 gram per liter. So we are converting gram per liter into moles per liter. Simple. So you can divide with it molecular mass. So then you will get the value after simplification. So that is 1.039 into 10 to the power of minus 5 moles per liter. So that is the value is 1.039 into 10 to the power of minus 5 moles per liter. So this is the solubility of barium sulfate. Then we will do barium sulfate is equilibrium with Ba plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. So here the solubility of Ba plus 2 is S, and here the solubility of SO4 minus 2 S moles per liter. So that is equal to Ksp barium sulfate is equal to S into S, that is equal to S square mole square per liter square. S square into mole square per liter square. So here we will find out Ksp of barium sulfate, that is equal to S square mole square per liter square. We know the value of solubility. We know the value of solubility. Therefore, Ksp of BaSO4, that is equal to, we know the solubility of Ba plus 2 and SO4 minus 2, that is 1.039 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square into mole square per liter square. So after simplification, that is 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square means 10 to the power of minus 10. 10 to the power of minus 10. So here this is 10 to the power of minus 10. So you can see the given option, that is 10 to the power of minus 8, 10 to the power of minus 14, and this is 10 to the power of minus 12. So what we will get, so approximately the value is 1.079. So we are writing the whole round number, that is 1.08 into 10 to the power of minus 9 mole square into liter to the power of minus 2. So that is given option number 1 is correct answer. So this is the problem. If he gives the problem in gram per liter, simple, you can convert into moles per liter. So then we are finding out solubility of barium sulfate. The given